Hardcore wedge. Get the tips together. Remember, look at my back. You got it. You got this. You got this. That's where we're going. Right here.
Go ahead of me.
Nope.
Wait, I don't want to go first.
You're going first.
Oh my god, I don't want to go first. That's what makes me nervous.
This one's easier.
Go.
You got it. Telling you it's easier. Awesome. Want me to go? You go first, Mackenzie. I'll go last. You got this. Rock star. Remember, this one's easier than Mardi Gras. Awesome. Deep breaths. Relax. You got this. You got this. Perfect. See? You darn right it is. This one could be going viral. This is our video. You better get some speed going though. You're skiing like your mother now. I'm gonna have to help her. I'm gonna have to help you. She used to ski so slow we called her the snail. It's not on video though. This is a fun run. Straight ahead. I'll lead. You got this. Do your wedge. Watch those poles too. Okay. Yeah, don't do that. Stabbing yourself is not good. You're good. Okay. All right. You know why you fell? You got nervous and you went back. Instead of falling forward, you fell back?
Yeah.
That's okay. Land your back and kick that one over. There you go. Perfect. You got this. Okay? You just walk to me. And step over. It's already down. Okay? Remember, you want to step right in straight. There it is. Nice. Okay.
Because I got really fast because I went really fast this way.
Yes. Wedge. There it is. Whoa! Alright, I don't have this on video. How do I get up? It felt really good. I'm going to edit that out.
He just did a split, but you can't see.
It's not true. I did that on purpose. Now you sound like your mom. Look at you, one hand talking now. Oh, I know you do. Doing a lot of fidgeting with your gloves. Okay. Okay, there's a big jump at the end of this hill. Huge. That's the irony of it. You got to do this jump. It's like the cool way to stick it is like a 360 backflip. I don't know yet. This way. What way do you want to go? Okay. If it was your mother, I'd yell right now. You got this. Okay? Awesome. Okay. Remember, this was a part, the steep part, it's over. This is the green part now. Good job. Get that wedge. There you go. Good. You got it. Nice job, Mackenzie. Bend your knees. I swear you almost popped up. That would have been awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. Other way, other way. Kick your legs down here. There you go. Wouldn't it be terribly mean? See, if it was your mom, I would just say, just keep rolling.
Yeah.
Just keep rolling. Yep, exactly. Yep, turn this way. There you go. There you go. Keep going. Point them that way. There you go. Because you'll just stand up and go. Like, there you go. Put this one over here, and then I'm going to pull you up. Okay? Put them together, but like this way. There you go. Perfect. See what he was saying? You'll never get up. There you go. I got you. You'll never get up if you try to stand with the tips facing downward.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter how flat or steep a hill is, you'll be in deep trouble. Okay, now
I
on
get
this.
nervous when I go really fast.
So does everybody. It's okay.
I know.
It's okay. You're doing great. All right, so this part,
Yeah.
remember, keep your wedge. It's actually a little bit flatter
Okay.
on this side of the hill, and we're going to go to the left. Okay? That's okay. Don't worry about it. Go for it.
So.
Remember you followed me? Follow me. Look at me. Following me?
Yep.
See? Follow me again. Okay? Perfect. See, this is how you'll get your confidence. You'll start relaxing, because when you tense up, you're going to fall. When you relax, it's like swimming. my swimming coach though for the triathlon stuff says when you relax, it's easier to swim. When you tense up, you breathe funny, lean forward, bend your knees. Okay, there you go. Keep looking straight ahead. You got this. It is, you're right. There you go. There, you're forward now, that's good. What's up, TJ? All right, brother.
You got a GoPro up there?
I got my son's. She did all right. Yeah. And she was hurt second time down. I think you fell once, right?
Yeah.
You're good. She was good.
Yeah, it doesn't take.
Yeah.
I remember when the first time we did like an all-day lesson. At the end of the day, we're like, "Come on, Dad." I'm like, "Okay."
Exactly.
I said, "You lead the way."
That was fun.